Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1957 Ford Thunderbird E-code. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. White exterior with a red interior. You can see the wide white walls with the wire chrome wheels. The paint is absolutely excellent. Chrome is in excellent condition. Just a beautiful 1957 Ford Thunderbird E-code. And for those folks wondering, yes, it does have the 312 cubic inch dual quad engine. As you can see, the engine bay is absolutely immaculate. Again, very, very clean vehicle here in excellent condition. As we look through the vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% will be European luxury and or exotic. Not going to go through the entire video or entire showroom, excuse me. If you want to see any of the cars I might have skimmed through, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call. If you're not in Sarasota, don't worry, still give us a call or view the vehicles, as we are a full service dealership where we can ship worldwide. Last year we shipped to over 8 or 9 countries worldwide and 19 different US states. We do offer financing through Classic Car Partners, so we can get your car of your dreams financed. If that is what your desire is, please visit the website. We do have a finance tab, or give us a call and we can help you out. If I go too fast with the camera, or you're looking to see a different angle or a better light, as I mentioned, visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have over 100 pictures of the vehicle on the website. It is up on the lift, so you can see it on their side. Do have the trunk open. Obviously you can see the interior. Got the classic design or exhaust coming out of the bumpers. Just a beautiful vehicle. It does have a black soft top. It is behind the seats. Does not come with a hard top. Just a beautiful vehicle. As you can see, the interior here, red bench seat, automatic. And again, beautiful E-code Thunderbird with a 3-engine 12 cubic inch V8, dual 4 barrels. We will go ahead and get it started up. We do keep all the batteries disconnected while they're in house. Show you that it is a cold start. You just see it does have power brakes. I'm sure I'll hit the car next to us. Again, just a very, very well done vehicle. It is in the Thunderbird registry, so it is documented vehicle. Does have a 3-speed automatic. Odometer just over 61,000 on the odometer. It starts right up, as you can see. It is cold. 312 cubic inch, especially with dual quads on it. Up here, just under about 1,000 RPM as it warms up. Take you back, let you hear the exhaust. As you can see, no smoke, no condensation coming out. Again, sounds very nice. The engine runs extremely well. The 1957 Thunderbird, iconic year for Thunderbirds, more popular designs and vehicles, especially for this E-code. Again, we're not quite warmed up yet, so I don't want to rev it up too much, but let you hear the engine. Again, engine sounds very good. We'll go ahead and shut it off here. If you do have any questions or you are interested, as I mentioned, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Make sure the battery's disconnected. And again, come back and see. Again, floor is dry. Engine runs very well. Again, the paint is in excellent condition. Interior is in just as good condition as I mentioned, and you saw the engine bay is 312 cubic inch, dual quad 57 Thunderbird. If you have an interest, as I mentioned, it is in the Ford Thunderbird registry, so it is documented. In 57 there was only 1,499 E-codes built. Again, so this is one of 1,499, so essentially one of 1,500 worldwide that were produced. It's got the 3-speed automatic. Again, classic white, red interior, just a beautiful 1957 Ford Thunderbird E-code here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. We appreciate you joining in. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.